Allah Almighty says, and undoubtedly we bestowed on Luqman wisdom, saying, be grateful to Allah, and whoever is grateful for the good of his own, and whoever is ungrateful, then certainly Allah is self-sufficient, all-praised. And remember, when Luqman said to his son, and he was admonishing him, O my son, associate not anyone with Allah. Undoubtedly, the association with Allah is a tremendous wrong, and we have stressed on man concerning his parents. His mother bore him undergoing weakness upon weakness, and his waning takes 2 years. That give thanks to me and your parents. Lastly, the return is towards me, and if they both strive to make you associate with me, a thing of which you have no knowledge, then obey them not and accompany them in the world very well, and follow him who turned to me repentantly. Then to me is your return. I shall inform you what you used to do. O my son, the evil, if it be even to the weight of a grain of mustard seed, then it be in a rock, or in the heavens, or in the earth, Allah will bring it forth. Undoubtedly, Allah is knower of every subtlety. Aware, O my son, establish prayer and be doing good, and forbid evil, and be patient over whatever befalls upon you. Undoubtedly, these are affairs of determination, and make not your cheek crooked will and make not your cheek crooked while taking to any one, and walk not in the earth struttingly. Undoubtedly, Allah loves not any arrogant boaster. Wala ta'assir means to turn the face. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports, when the verse, those who have believed and mixed not any injustice with their faith was revealed, the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, who amongst us does not mix injustice with his faith? Whereat these words was revealed, associate not anyone with Allah. Undoubtedly, the association with Allah is tremendous wrong. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3428.